Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a server script so changes apply for every player. This runs on the server and prevents client-only issues. Once done, place a script in server script service and connect players. Player added plus character added. In that handler, iterate character, get descendants, and set every base part. Can collide equals false. This makes limbs and accessories non-collidable right away. Make sure to also set can query and can touch if needed for specific interactions. This approach is simple, reliable, and avoids per-client race conditions. Next, cover mid-process details. Characters spawn accessories and hoodie parts after initial load, so connect descendant added on the character to set can collide equals false for any new base part. Once done, you can refine behavior with physics service. Create a player's collision group and call set part collision group for each part to exclude player versus player collisions while keeping world collisions. Make sure to assign collision groups on both initial parts and newly added parts. This gives precise control when you still want players to interact with the environment. Finish by testing in a multiplayer session. Start server and 2 or more clients to confirm player characters pass through each other. Once done, ensure your server script reapplies settings on respawn and that descendant added covers accessories. If you used physics service, make sure both the group exists and set part collision group succeeded. Troubleshooting tip: if players still collide, check that parts are not anchored and that the server script actually ran. Often the problem is collision groups not assigned before physics evaluation, so add a short wait or ensure assignment during character added.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.